Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So right here I'm going to show you an alternative to Dragon Naturally Speaking that you can be able to use to write books faster. So it's kind of a Chrome extension and it works only on Google Chrome browser. So if you don't have Google Chrome web browser, please go ahead and install it. It won't take a lot of time. So you can just migrate from your Opera Mini or UC browser to Google Chrome. So once you're on Google Chrome, go to a new tab and search Chrome extensions. Chrome extensions. Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store, just click on it. So it's gonna load up, and then when it loads up, go to your search bar. Go to your search bar and type voice typing. So voice type. It's gonna take some time to load. So let me just expand this so that you can get a full view of what's happening. Okay, so this is the extension that you need. This voice in voice typing by offered by dictatenotes.co. So click on that, and it's gonna load up this. So let me still expand this. So as you can see right here, they said remove from Chrome because I've already added this extension, as you can see up here. So just go ahead and add this extension. It supports, here you can check, it supports about 40 plus languages. Um, it's very nice for dictation. And if you can, as you can see from here, it has about 200,000 users and about 351 views. So this, on a look here, I think this uses Google AI machine learning engine. So that means if there are 200,000 people using this, that means the voice model, the voice AI model must have been trained on these 200,000 voices. That means you should expect that it is very, very accurate. So once there, you have to go to word counter. So this, I practicalize how effective this extension was. So as you can see, it's captured all the stuff I said accurately. So these are the I just wrote 300 words using the extension right here. So go to word counter. So this is how you typically write your book. So just go to word counter and then on a fresh tab, like I just did here, on a fresh tab, open up the article you want to rewrite. Maybe let's say you want to write this article here. Okay, I don't know why this is not responsive. So let me just go to Medium, maybe Medium. You have an article you want to write, or you have a book you want to write. So just open them on different tabs, and let's say, let me just check a Medium article. Okay, it's gonna take some time to load up, so I'll just wait for it to load. So I don't. I think you get the point now. So you just put you put tabs side by side, and then in order to make things easy for you, just tap on the on your text. I like word counter because it tracks the amount of words in your in your books and a couple of other features like the characters, how many paragraphs you have, the reading level, like it's a ninth to 10th grade, the reading time 1 hour 1 minute, it's 8 seconds, then the keyword density. So if you're into blog articles or stuff, this is a neat way to write to check your keyword density and stuff. So all you have to do just is to tap on this and then okay, my Medium account was banned. So let's just say you want to write this article here. I don't know why this Medium is taking so much time to load up. Let me just click on an article. Okay, here is maybe you want to write this article or you want to write this as a book. So first of all, I don't think I need to go through the give you the ways of how to write a book, because you have to flesh out your points. You have to flesh out outline your book, so that maybe chapter one is chapter one is introduction. Chapter one introduction, intro. This is where you do your introduction. So you just go below, go to your voice typing. I have it installed here, so I cannot use it because I'm using a recorder. Because I'm using a recorder, I cannot voice type and record at the same time. So once you have that, just click on the icon above on your tab. Then once you have that, you just have to start speaking, and it will start recording accurately, as you can see from here. So these are a couple of words I wrote with that tool, and it was pretty accurate. It was giving me very nice results. Um, so once you have that, you can use. I'm actually on a mount on an earpiece or Oraimo earpiece. So if you have an Oraimo earpiece, just plug it into your system. It gives a decent sound quality. You don't have to invest on heavy microphones. So if you have an Oraimo earpiece, it goes for like 1,000 or 1,200 or thereabout. So just get it and plug it into your system, and you can get a very nice sound quality. That's how I'm working on these videos, because I wanted to get a microphone before, but then it was kind of on the high side, all this Blue Yeti from Amazon stuff, and cost like $90 or so. So I just shelved the idea, and instead I used my Ramo earpiece, and it has been serving me well ever since then. So okay, so look at this article right here. So if you want to rewrite this article, all you have to just do is to first of all go through the article to kind of get an overview of what it is talking about, so that when you are writing, there are some places that you just fix stuff from your head. So that's why it is good to read the books or whatever you are trying to write. Just read them, maybe read them, just skim through them and get an overview of what they are trying to say. And then right here, you're going to just start writing. Just tab on your enter your text box or your text field, and then hit the microphone. Once you hit the microphone, just start rewrite saying all these stuffs in your own words. So once you're saying it, it will capture them and give you a very decent and accurate result. So you don't have to start. Maybe if you don't like typing, or maybe this is a very neat way to write faster. You can write 10,000 words in a day with just voice, because at times when you're typing with your fingers, you might get weak, or run out of ideas, or go numb. Your fingers might go numb. But with the voice, all you have to just do is to repeat, say in your own words what you're actually writing. So that's why it's kind of neat with this tool. So there are a couple of websites you can go to get books. I don't need to tell you that. I think most of us know about that. Z Library, Book Dash Africa, and a couple of others where you can go to get books. I can just rewrite and start publishing. So I want you guys to. I think that should be the end of the video. So I want you to like this video if you found it useful. I also want you to subscribe to my channel, and then hit the bell notification, so that when I drop new videos like this, you can be able to get first-hand information. Also, I'll be making a detailed view on how to or a detailed video on how to run Facebook ads to grow your list. So I recently ran a Facebook ads and I got like 50. So for a lead, I was spending like 15 naira. So 15 naira per lead. Okay, that was about 15 naira per lead. Let me just pull up a calculator. Let me see calculator. So I was getting like 15 naira per lead. So let me just say, and um I spent like 1,000. Okay, let me enlarge this. Let me clear. Okay, I was getting like 15 naira per lead. So okay, 50. Now let me see. So I spent like 1,000 naira on that ad. Clear. So 1,000 naira divided by 15 naira per lead. So I got like an average of 20. So you get an average of 20 leads. So that means 20 emails for just 1,000 naira spent. So I'll be making a detailed video on how you can utilize this and grow your list massively. So that means if you're earning maybe something like $50, you're earning something like maybe if you just inject $50 into getting growing your leads, $50 might be a fraction of what you earn on your KDP. Some people can earn $200, some people earn $100. So you can just maybe $50 right there times, I think the exchange rates. Let's just go with 520. So that's about 26,000 here. So 26,000 divided by 50, that's 15 naira per lead. So this is not static. So this 15 naira is not static. At times it might go to 17 naira. At times it might go down to 45 naira. It all depends on how you on your strategy on your Facebook ad strategy. So and then that means so for just $50 you get 500 leads. That's 500 emails. So there's a way to do this. You don't just start running ads, else Facebook will blow your money. So there's a strategy to it. So that means out of these 520, if 520 time, maybe just say maybe you mail your list, you use 500 people, and maybe just 0.1, that's 10% buys your book on Amazon. Maybe you send them a link to your book. That's after nurturing your leads and everything. Then you send them a link to your book, and maybe just 10% gets your book on Amazon because Americans trust Amazon. Amazon is one of the most trusted websites by Americans. So if after getting them and you mail them, and then maybe 2.1% buys, so that translates to 52. That means 52 people bought your book on Amazon, which you mailed to them as a newsletter or maybe on an autoresponder. So that means if you're selling a book for maybe $6.99, so $6.99, okay, so times that means you got $363.48. Okay, so that means on an investment of just $50, which you use to run your ads on Facebook to generate leads. You generate a leads about 500 people, and an income of about 360 or less $360. So as you can see, you did two things at the same time. You'll be able to grow your list one, you're able to make money from your leads. So that's just like killing two birds with one stone. So you just spend just $50. So I'll be making a video on how to go about these ads and growing your list massively. So you can also grow your leads using organic methods. Organic methods kind of takes time, but people I like fast results. I like seeing fast results so that I like crushing things quickly. So if you want that video, just comment on the comment box below, and I will make a video about how to do that. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thanks.